Hey everyone, the Google Pixel 9a has been officially announced, marking Google's entry into the competitive mid-range smartphone market. While it will be available later, the device has already generated significant interest due to its design and features. Unlike its more premium siblings in the Pixel 9 lineup, the Pixel 9a does not feature the large camera hump, but retains the same design language, including a flat back and smooth corners that blends seamlessly into a flat metal frame. This design is a departure from the more rounded aesthetics of the Pixel 8a, giving it a modern and sleek appearance. The phone is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and boasts an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, ensuring durability in everyday use. The Pixel 9 EOA features a slightly larger 6.3-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2424 by 1080 and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. The screen is capable of reaching a peak brightness of 2700 nits, making it vibrant and easy to view even in bright conditions. The display supports HDR but is limited to an 8-bit color depth. It also incorporates an optical fingerprint scanner for secure and convenient unlocking. Under the hood, the Pixel 9a is powered by Google's Tensor G4 chipset, paired with the Titan M2 security chip, ensuring robust performance and enhanced security. The phone comes with 8 GB of RAM and offers storage options of 128 or 256 GB, catering to a range of user needs. This hardware configuration ensures smooth multitasking and efficient performance for everyday tasks. The camera system on the Pixel 9a has seen significant upgrades. The 64 megapixels primary camera, found in the Pixel 7a and 8a, has been replaced with a 48 megapixels f1.7 sensor, featuring quad PD dual-pixel AF and optical stabilization. The ultra-wide-angle camera remains a 13 megapixels f2.2 sensor, capable of recording 4K video at 30 frames per second. Battery life is another strong suit of Pixel 9a, with a larger 5100 lithium-ion battery that promises over 30 hours of usage. Phone supports 33-watt wired fast charging and 7.5-watt QI wireless charging, ensuring quick and convenient power replenishment. On the software front, the Pixel 9a runs Android 15 out of the box, complete with all of Google's latest AI features. Like other Pixel devices, it will receive 7 years of OS and security updates, ensuring long-term usability and security. This cautious approach suggests a commitment to quality, though it raises questions about potential issues, hopefully not related to the battery, as was the case with the recalled Pixel 4a. Overall, the Google Pixel 9a is a compelling mid-range smartphone that combines a modern design, powerful performance, advanced camera capabilities, and long-term software support. It represents a strong offering in its price segment, making it an attractive choice for users seeking a reliable and feature-rich device. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful for you. Have a nice day, and God bless you.